first of all, what we have to do, go to my documents. Here I'm going to create a new folder with the name of, for example, term S for your class. Then open it and create what? Create a new file there, text file with any name, for example a.txt. And here I'm going to record name and then marks of the student. Ali, and head marks Abed, Jawad, and Wahid. For example, these are the records. Close and save. Now, first of all, what we have to do, right click on the folder and go to what? Go to properties, and from there share this folder. Share this folder, go to permissions, full control to everyone, then apply OK, and again OK. Now we have shared this file easily. Now how to access it from the other computer? Go to the client computer. From there we want to access this share file and folders. So what to do? Go to what? Run. And first of all, just check it out, find the name of this computer. So what is the name of this computer? Right click on my computer, go to properties, from there computer name. What is the computer name? That is what? Just server is the computer name. And if you want to check it out, the IP address of this computer, so double click on local area connection, and from there this is what? Support. 10.0.0.1 is the IP address. Now we want to access these share file and folders on that computer. So how to do? Just go to run and type what? Double backslash. The IP address is already there. You can access this double backslash, and the name of that computer is what? Server. So their share file and folders will be available. Term S is there. Or if you want to access it through the IP address, so go to run double backslash 10.0.0.1. Click on it. So the share file and folders will be available. Term S is there. Is it clear? So we can easily access it from there, or through the server name or through the computer name. If you want to open it, so just going to what? I'm double click on it, going to open it, and you can see the file A is there. Now I'm going to what? I'm going to add a new record with the name of, for example, Ferdaws. I'm going to add marks him. So now close this, save, yes, and close this. We have just made changes on the client side. Now go to the server side and go to what? My documents. Go there, open term S, and there check it out. Ferdaws is there. You can see the last record. We have added on the client side, so it's available on the server as well. Is it clear? Now, the network area. Here you can see that the local area connection is available. That's why the changes has been made on the server as well. Now, for example, I'm going to what? Right click on the local area connection and then go to what? Disable. The local area connection has been disabled, and from there now if you want to access, now the local area connection has been disabled. If you want to check it out, so right click on my network places, go to properties, and from there you can see that the local area connection is disabled. Here you can see that it's disabled. If you want to check it out, the connectivity, so just go to what? Command prompt and then ping. Ping the IP address of that computer is what? 10.0.0.1. It will give you message destination host unreachable, because we have just disabled the local area connection. And now if you want to access that file, double backslash and the IP address of that server computer from the client side. Sorry. So we have just disabled the local area connection from the server side. I'm going to disable it from the client side. Enable it from here. Then go to what? Go to the client side, and from there. Now first of all, check it out, the connectivity. Ping 10.0.0.1. So the server is replying because they are connected. Now I'm going to what? Go to what? My network places, properties, and from there I'm going to what? Right click on it and disable the local area connection. Now you can see the local area connection has been disabled. If you want to check it out, the connectivity, go to command prompt and type 10.0.0.1 the server IP. So just click it. Destination host unreachable means they are not connected because we have disabled. But if I want to check it out, I want to access that share file and folder. So 10.0.0.1, that share file and folders are not accessible. Is it clear? Because we are not connected with the internet. So what to do? First of all, again I am going to enable the local area connection. Right click on the local area connection, enable it. Now check it out, the connectivity. ping 10.0.0.1. They are replying means they are connected. If I want to access that share file and folders 10.0.0.1, so that are available. Is it clear? Now, how to access it again? Go there, access these file and folders, and now what is? We are going to access term S. We want to access term S. So what to do? This is term S. Open it, and then from there, this file is available. So go to what? Tools, and from there, folder option. Go to tools, folder option, and the last option you can see is what? Offline file folders. So just enable this option. Enable offline file and folders. Apply and then OK. Go back and then right click on the folder. This is term S folder. Right click and what is the option? Make available offline. Make available offline. So now click on it. So there would be what? That's a recursive arrow. Blue color ki bhi jodi da this file has been now available offline. So now I am going to again go to from here, right click, disable the local area connection. Now go to command prompt, ping the server IP, ping 10.0.0.1, destination host unreachable means they are not connected. But after that, even that we want to access that file. So how to do? Just double backslash and server. Term S is also available. We are not connected. The local area connection, you can see that from here, right click on my network places, go to properties and check it out. The local area connection is what? Disabled. But after that, we can access that file because we have what? We have make it what? Available offline. Now just open it. You can open it. And if you want to open that file as well, so open that file. And here I'm going to create a new record, for example, with the name of Zahid and 77. And then, for example, Khalid 90. Close, save, and again close. But if you go to the server operating system, open my computer, and there you check it out. These files, these updations, these changes would not be affected there because the local area connection is still disabled. Open this file. Those changes of two records, Khalid and Zahid, is not available here. But again, I'm going to go there, right click, my network places, go to properties, and from there, now I'm going to again enable the local area connection. Enable it. It will ask about the synchronization. Yeah, automatically it's going to done. Now the local area connection has been enabled. Now, for example, go to the server operating system, open my documents, open this file, and you are going to open it. It's not yet affected because the synchronization not yet done. Go to it. The synchronization option. Synchronization. Check it out. The status is still there. Go to the server, access those files, synchronize, and the changes has been synchronized complete. Go to the server and check it out. These file and folders now, they will be affected as well here. The record Zahid and Khalid is there. If you are not connected with your local area network and you want to available, you want that files to be required for you. So how to do? Just right click on that files and make it available offline. But first of all, you have to what? You have to enable this option from the folder options. Just go to what? On this client side. First of all, go to what? Go to first of all access those files. This is term S, and then go to tools, folder options. From there, offline file and folders. The option enable baka de. After that, go to what? Go to the folder and right click and make it available offline. Then you can access it easily without the local area connection. If you are not connected with the network, so these files will be available there. Is it clear? So this is called offline file and folders. Repeat kar deता push